Indian authorities have scrambled to take measures against the rising threat of new COVID variant Omicron. While the country has already detected 2 of its first cases, the authorities say they are more cautious and prepared for the challenges the variant brings along with it. The experts have urged to impose strict measures in order to maintain the continuous decline in cases that India has achieved after intensive vaccination drive.
As India reports 2 of its first Omicron positive cases, authorities have scrambled to take a host of measures to contain the spread and maintain the progress they have achieved with the vaccination drive in past few months after the second wave in April and May. Apart from tracing contacts of the two, the government has launched standard operating protocol at airports and other transits to check a sudden rise in infections.
जितने उनके प्राइमरी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं और जितने सेकेंडरी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं उन सबको ट्रेस कर लिया गया है और उन सबकी टेस्टिंग करके उनको एज पर प्रोटोकॉल हम कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं.
As soon as the World Health Organization declared Omicron a variant of concern, the government has revised the testing guidelines with a specific focus on countries identified at risk. In coherence with the calls made by international experts, including the WHO, of not putting a blanket ban on international travels, India is now testing and closely monitoring everybody who has arrived from different countries. Mandatory tests, quarantine and isolation is going to be the norm for at least next few days.
इंटरनेशनल अराइवल्स जो हैं कंट्रीज को एट रिस्क और कंट्रीज अदर देन एट रिस्क बताया गया है, जिसमें एट रिस्क कंट्री से जो लोग आ रहे हैं उनको 100% चेकिंग करके सैंपलिंग एंड टेस्टिंग करने के बाद ही यहाँ से एयरपोर्ट से बाहर जाने की अनुमति दी गई है.
While India has managed to vaccinate over 80% of its 944 million eligible adult population, the experts say it must further ramp up its drive in order to secure a certain level of immunity in citizens against the new variant. Although there have been reports that Omicron might escape the immunity, experts have urged people to not grow pessimistic and keep vaccinating themselves. Indian Council of Medical Research has even backed the domestically developed Covaxin for being effective against the Omicron too. Experts have also urged the government to further step up testing so that virus can be detected, decoded and contained at early stage.
We have to speed up our testing, we have to increase the number of testing so that at early stage we can detect the if this virus enters into our country, we can detect it at very early stage.
As of now, this new variant with a spike protein dramatically different from the one existing coronavirus that vaccines are based on has raised global alarms and frightened financial markets. And while other South Asian countries might not have reported Omicron cases, the countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan have been faltering at testing and vaccination since the beginning. And as per the experts, including the global health experts, it is these countries that are at more risk than others of Omicron, and it is them who needs to be more careful.